Now we know what an adjective is. We know how to form the comparative and the superlative form, and how to use these forms in sentences. The next step to understand what adverbs are and what's the difference between an adverb and an adjective. So here's your first example. He has a happy smile. He smiles happily. In the first sentence, he has a happy smile. Happy is the adjective, right? Adjectives, you know, are placed in front of the noun they refer to. Look at the second sentence now. He smiles happily. Smile here is your verb, and the adverb comes after the verb. The adverb is formed with ly at the very end. So this is what you understand from our very first example. He has a happy smile, happy adjective. He smiles happily, adverb. Another example. He is a careful driver. Careful goes before driver, which means that it is adjective. And on the other hand, he drives carefully. How does he drive? Carefully. Carefully goes after the verb, and this is our adverb. So if we want to formulate it again, we need adjective in front of the noun and adverb which goes after the verb. The basic rule is that an adverb is formed by the adjective, and after the adjective we add ly. For example, careful, carefully. So adjective plus ly. But, of course, there are some exceptions, and we are just at the very beginning of the course, so let's start step by step. 5 words that you need to remember at this phase. Adjective hard, adverb hard, not hardly. Adjective fast, adverb fast. Adjective late, adverb late. Adjective early, adverb early. Adjective good, adverb well. Okay, be very careful with these words. If you, for example, say hardly instead of hard, yeah, there is such a word, but the meaning is completely different. So if you use a word that you're not completely sure of the meaning, you may say something really completely different. Some spelling rules. He smiles happily. Happy, happily. Y goes into I. Look at this. The adjective finishes in Y. Remember it on this way. When the adjective finishes in Y and you add ly, the change is I-L-Y. Another rule. When the adjective finishes in L and you add ly, then what you need to put in the adverb is double L. Careful, carefully. Enough theory. Let's go and do several exercises on adverbs. First, of course, we are checking our PDF with the exercises. Here it is. The first task, we need to form the adverbs. After that, we need to choose the correct word to finish or to fill in the sentences. And the third exercise, we need to choose between good or well. Good. If you have any doubts, if you're not sure, if you haven't understood something, watch the video again or ask a question in the question section, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the answer section.